Once you have created a Twitter account, what I'd like you to do is to click home, and then what you're going to do is go to lists, and then in lists what you're going to do is you're going to create a new list. You're going to call it game design and development. If you're out of space, we'll just call it game design and dev. Let's just call it game design. You can add a description if you want, or you don't have to. I'm going to say game design and development thought leaders. And then I'm going to click next. All right, so now it's going to take you to this add people part. We are not going to add anyone here yet. We're just going to hit done. So we've created this list called game design, and now what we're going to do is search Twitter, and we're going to search hashtag game dev. And what we're going to see is find a whole bunch of people that are using that tag. We're going to click on that account, and then we're going to click these three buttons right here. We're going to go to add/remove from lists. We're going to add it to our game design list. We'll click save, and we'll go back and we'll continue to go through, and we'll find more people that have been posting about this topic. You can search for other tags, so like indie game, game design, all sorts of different gaming type themes. So we'll do one more. Here's somebody who's working on a game right now, and you can see they're using hashtag indie dev as well. So we'll click on their account, we'll click these three dots, and we're going to go to add remove from list, and we're going to add them to our game design list. We'll click save. So once you've done that, once you've added a bunch of different people that are posting on this topic, when you go to your personal lists and you click on that list, you'll see a feed that just consists of those people that you're following. So this is a way to sort of stay in touch with the game design and development field, to stay up to date and sort of start to build a network of like-minded individuals. So that is your assignment today. Create a Twitter list using the list feature of Twitter.